Have you ever wondered how that tangy yellow goodness, known as mustard, is made? From the classic squeeze bottles on hot dog carts to the iconic jars in our kitchen cupboards, mustard is a condiment that has stood the test of time. In fact, over 500,000 tons of mustard are produced globally every year. Whether it's to add flavor to your favorite hot dog, burger, or sandwich, mustard is a must-have in kitchens around the world. But how exactly is this flavorful concoction made? Let's discover the behind-the-scenes process of one of the oldest and most beloved condiments in the world. Mustard production starts in vast fields where tiny mustard seeds are planted. Despite their small size, these seeds are packed with incredible potential. While they might seem insignificant at first glance, once they begin to sprout, they can grow into the largest plants in the garden, reaching the height of a small tree. Their small size hides immense power. A handful of mustard seeds can cover huge expanses of land. But where do most of these mustard seeds come from? The majority of the world's mustard is grown in the vast plains of Canada, where the fertile soil and favorable climate make it the perfect environment for growing this valuable crop. For over a century, Canadian farmers have perfected mustard cultivation, transforming it into a modern agricultural industry. Using specialized machinery, farmers efficiently plant and harvest the mustard seeds. The fields in Canada stretch across vast areas, with up to 200,000 hectares of mustard cultivated in the country's western provinces. These areas are known for producing some of the highest quality mustard seeds in the world. To plant the seeds, farmers rely on mechanical seeders that ensure precision, placing seeds at the right depth and in perfect rows. The planting process is very systematic, with seeds and dry fertilizers stored separately in compartments in a cart pulled by a tractor. Using a controlled airflow system, the seeds and fertilizers are precisely measured and deposited into the soil. The seeds must be planted in a firm seedbed, not too deep, to ensure optimal growth. Within just days of planting, the mustard begins to grow, spreading quickly across the field. By early July, the mustard enters its flowering phase, turning fields into a vibrant yellow sea of flowers that stretches for miles. As the summer continues, the mustard flowers turn into pods. These pods mature over the course of several weeks, reaching their peak in early August. That's when the harvest begins. The pods, now full of mature seeds, are carefully cut and transported to large harvesters. These machines crush the pods, releasing the precious seeds inside. Once harvested, the mustard seeds accumulate in the hopper of the harvester. Meanwhile, the remaining plant material, stems and pods, is crushed and scattered back onto the field, decomposing and enriching the soil for future crops. When the hopper is full, the mustard seeds are transferred to grain trucks, which carry them to farm storage facilities. From there, the seeds are shipped by train to the French's mustard factory, where the transformation into mustard begins. At the factory, silos, each holding the equivalent of a train car full of mustard seeds, about 90,000 kilos of yellow mustard, store the seeds. Over 10 million mustard seeds go into making just one bottle of French's mustard. Before the process starts, the seeds are carefully cleaned, removing dirt, stones, and any other impurities that could compromise the quality of the final product. Cleaning is a crucial first step in ensuring that only the best quality seeds make it into the mustard production process. After cleaning, the seeds are mixed with ingredients that add depth and flavor, including white vinegar, turmeric, which gives the mustard its iconic yellow color, spices like paprika, and salt. These ingredients enhance the unique, delicious flavor of yellow mustard. This blend is then transferred into a special mixing tank where it is combined with water and vinegar. The mixture undergoes a precise balancing process, resulting in a perfectly blended ratio. About 60% water, 20% vinegar, 15% mustard seeds, and 5% spices, to ensure the ingredients are thoroughly combined. A rotating paddle in the tank mixes the contents at speeds of up to 165 miles per hour for about 80 minutes. This powerful blending ensures that each component is completely mixed, resulting in a smooth and flavorful mustard base. Once the mixing is complete, the mustard mixture is carefully poured into stainless steel mills. Inside each mill, synthetic stones grind the mixture in a traditional process known as stone grinding. This method has been used for over a century, preserving the timeless essence of mustard making. The grind is so smooth that it creates the creamy, vibrant yellow mustard we all love. During grinding, the mixture is heated to 60 degrees Celsius, transforming the texture and releasing the full flavor of the mustard. This delicate process strikes the perfect balance between tradition and modern innovation, ensuring that each batch of mustard retains its distinctive character and irresistible taste. Before bottling, the mustard undergoes a final quality test. The goal is to ensure the smoothest texture possible. If the mixture contains any particles larger than 1/4 millimeter, expert millers adjust the stones to achieve an even finer grind. More than 30 mills operate daily, processing around 90 tons of mustard seeds to create this iconic condiment. Every day, more than 380,000 liters of mustard are produced, enough to fill around 760,000 bottles. Once it reaches that perfect creamy texture, the mustard is transferred to stainless steel tanks, ready for the next step on its journey to your table. To maintain its ideal color and flavor, the mustard mixture is processed through a slow-speed mixer to eliminate any air, preventing the mustard from turning brown and losing its fresh taste. This also ensures that the mustard remains perfectly smooth and consistent. Once the mustard is ready, it's carefully transferred to the filling machine. Here, the iconic yellow bottles are filled and sealed at a rate of over 300 bottles per minute. The automated system ensures precision and efficiency, allowing the production process to run smoothly. At any given time, a worker can oversee the filling of up to 112,000 bottles in a single shift. Each bottle is carefully inspected by an automated vision system, ensuring that every bottle meets the highest quality standards before leaving the factory. Once inspected, the bottles are packed and prepared for distribution to supermarkets all over the world. The journey from seed to bottle is complete, and your favorite mustard is now ready to be enjoyed. On hot dogs, sandwiches, burgers, or whatever you love it on. Now, the next time you reach for your favorite mustard, you'll know exactly what went into creating that delicious condiment. If you want to know how peaches are produced, watch the video on your screen. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating the notifications to continue learning. Thanks for watching.